Hey, what's up YouTube? Zach is Funny here from ZTech, and today this is going to be one of two videos, and we're going to be looking at Acer. Two products from Acer. This is going to be the first of two videos. We are going to bring back wired. So these will be two wired devices, two accessories for your computers. I know you all love wireless, but I'm going to show you guys some cool wired items. So the first thing we're going to bring to you is a wired keyboard. So here's the wire. First of all, it plugs into the monitor, like it plugs into the tower of your computer. Plug it in. Alright, so plugged into the tower. And here's the keyboard itself. Now, it's a big computer. I gotta back up like a lot for you to see it all the way. But it has all the buttons you need up here, which is like your search button. You got your pause, you got your fast forward and rewind button right there. You got all your basic keys. Now, two keys are missing from this keyboard. You won't get it like this, but just the keyboard I'm reviewing is broken. So these keys still do work, but the keys aren't there. Then you got your arrows, you got your numbers, next, back, and whatever, spacebar. Now, what's unique about this, which I think is pretty cool, is it has a little turn thing up here. This is your volume button. You can turn your volume down with this wheel, which is really interesting. Most keyboards don't have that. That's a nice feature this computer has, so you don't have to, this keyboard has, so you won't have to turn it up on your computer. On the back, you just got your normal, just switches, just to, tilt let it stand up, the keyboard. You got a little tilt. So, you could pick these up, like, I don't know, haven't got this in a while, probably for around like $10 maybe. I'm really not sure. Maybe $15, $10. It is a nice keyboard. If you're looking for wired, if you don't want to go USB, wireless, Bluetooth, it's just a basic, not really. It's actually an upgrade to a nice. This is a really nice keyboard, I gotta tell you. So just want to do a short video on this review of the keyboard. I think it's nice. What do you guys think? Put in the comments below. But whatever. I don't care. So this is my review on the Acer keyboard. This is Zach is Funny from ZTech, signing out.